Hi, I'm Patty. Welcome to my kitchen. Remember when you started to find out about what keto was all about and they say you can't have chips anymore? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. So the World Cup is here and Mexico just beat Germany. Can you believe that? I was rooting for them the whole time. I believed in my boys and they freaking did it. They did it. So I'm very happy and excited, and so I want to show you this recipe for the next game. Check it out. So that was easy, right? You don't have to follow specific amounts for any of the stuff. The paprika, you can omit it if you don't have it. You can also use chili powder, so to make it a little bit spicier. And if you don't have the garlic paste, you can also use garlic powder. So it's just so easy to do. Just season it whatever you want and just place them on the sheet and just bake them until they're crunchy, and it's super easy recipe and you're gonna love it, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna feed your macros. So thank you for staying with me and watching the video. Please share it and like it, and if you make the recipe, please tag me on Instagram at Keto Mexican Recipes, and I'll be like really super excited to see your recipes that you make. Thank you for watching. See you next time.